Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph English Medium School's online teaching grammar class of standard 5th. In our previous class, we heard focused on what is a sentence and characteristics of a sentence. Now, I am going to teach you the kinds of sentences, okay, and phrases also. First, kinds of sentences. Sentence can do 4 types of things, okay. So, types of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative or simple sentences. Second one, interrogative sentence or question sentence. Third one, imperative sentence, and the last one, fourth one, interrogative sentences. Okay, so 4 kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative sentence, second, interrogative sentence, third, imperative sentence, and fourth, exclamatory sentence. Okay, first, declarative sentence. It is also called assertive sentence or simple sentence. Okay, so declarative sentence states something. Declarative sentence states something and ends with the full stop. Okay, so the example of declarative sentence. First one, the sandwich is very tasty. So here we are telling an information about the taste of sandwich. The taste of sandwich. Then next, second sentence, she is a beautiful girl. Here we are defining the beauty of the girl. Okay, so declarative sentences states something and ends with the full stop. Okay, then declarative sentence can be positive statement or a negative statement. Okay, first, positive statement. Positive statements, the structure of the positive statement is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, so for example, he is my friend. He is my friend. He, subject, verb is object, my friend. Okay, so subject, verb, object. Next, second one, negative. Negative statement. Negative statement, the structure of the negative statement is subject plus verb plus not plus object. So, to make negative statement, we add a not after the verb. Okay, so the example is, he is not my friend. Okay, then second one, interrogative sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, ask a question. Interrogative sentence ask a question and ends with the question mark. Okay, so interrogative sentences are also 2 types. First one, WH question. Another one, yes or no question. Okay, so WH question, what is WH question? If the question begins with the WH word like what, where, when, who, why, they are WH question word. So if the sentence begins with the WH word, it is said to be WH question. For example, where are you going? Question mark. Okay. Next, second one, yes or no question. So the sentence begins with the helping verb or auxiliary verb like do, does, did, is, am, are, will, shall, should, can, may, might, etc. So, yes or no questions begin with the auxiliary verb or helping verb and ends with the question mark. For example, do you love your family? Question mark. Okay. So, interrogative sentences ask a question and ends with the question mark. Okay. Then third sentence. Third, imperative sentence. So, imperative sentences gives order, advice or makes a request. Okay. So, first one, take the medicines regularly. This is advice. And then second, please give me your pen. This asking a request. Makes request. And the third one, wait for me. So, this one, imperative sentences gives order, advice and makes request. Ends with the full stop and exclamation mark also. Because some sentences we can say forcefully, that time we use an exclamation mark. Okay. So, imperative sentences expresses order, advice and make request also. Okay. Then fourth sentence, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences expresses feeling of joy, happiness, feeling of sorrow, sadness and feeling of surprise also. Okay. So, it ends with the exclamation mark. Okay. So, the example of exclamatory sentence, that is a huge fish. Here we are expressing the surprise of seeing the fish shape. shape of the fish, size of the fish, we are express our surprise. Then next second, what a beautiful day. Here we are expressing the happiness after having the nice day. We are expressing our happiness. What a beautiful day. So exclamatory sentences expresses our feeling or emotion of joy or sorrow or surprise. Okay, and then next chapter, phrase. Phrase. Example, in the morning, at the station. Do these group of words make any complete sense? No. In the morning, at the station. These group of words make sense but not complete sense. They are not begin with the capital letter, and they don't have any verb, and do not ends with the full stop or exclamation mark or question mark. So it is not a sentence. It is said to be phrase. So the phrase has no subject and no verb. Okay, so phrase is make sense but not complete sense. It is said to be phrase. Okay, thank you students.